Hi, this is GHPK. In this video I am going to show you how to do a full backup of your firmware using the SP Flash tool, and this video will be a long video, but it is worth it because if you are doing some modification on your phone, so this video will help you revert this phone back to the state it was before you did any root level or ROM modifications. If you are backing up this phone for the first time, or you are doing such stuff for the first time which doesn't show the developer option, you have to go to the settings, then you have to go to about phone on, and then on this build number you have to click on 7 times. I have already enabled it. It prompts me that I am already having a developer option. Make sure you have already enabled the developers option, and then you have enabled the USB debugging option. Before you start backing up your phone, you have to make sure you have installed the drivers for this phone. That is basically MTK based drivers, and I am including a link for you guys in the description of this video. So once you install this driver via this batch file and allow the Windows installation of unsigned drivers, the driver installer will complete and show you the result that drivers have been installed successfully. Once the driver is installed, you have to then open the SP Flash tool. Then you have to click on this blue SP Flash tool icon, and it will open the SP Flash tool. Now it will have the pre-mentioned entry for this SP Flash tool bin file. You can just ignore that thing. You have to then click on the scatter file, then you have to browse, then you have to click on the scatter file, and you have to select your Micromax Unite 2 Android scatter file and click on open. It will give you all the list of expected files where this tool is going to look upon. Once you see an entry after clicking the add, you have to double click on it. It will ask you for a name, file name, and a location. So I have selected SP backup as a folder where I am backing up this. I'll use this predefined name rom_0. I'll click on the save. Then there is this read block start address and the length. You have to change the length. In case of this Micromax Unite 2, you have to write 0x3E180000. You have to write 4 times 0. Click OK. Once this is done, you have to click on the read back. It will not show any progress. You have to wait here. Once this appears, now you have to go to your phone. You have to disconnect any data cable, then you have to shut it down, power off, click OK. Let the phone turn itself off. It will give a short vibration to confirm that it has been properly shut down. I heard the vibration. Once the phone has been shut down, you have to pull the back panel off. You take out the back panel, you remove the battery, and this is the USB cable connected to my computer on which I am taking the backup. I have to insert this USB cable and wait for the phone to start backing up. You can see the progress. The battery is taken out and the backup is proceeding. You have to wait till this backup completes. So I am pausing this video for time being. Backup still on 5%, 6% and counting. 15 minutes have passed and backup is on 75%. So I have to wait till it gets completed before I proceed with the next procedure for backing up your complete phone, including while doing the backup for this Unite 2 handset, making the full backup, You can safely keep the SD card and the SIM cards inserted. It will not affect the backup procedure. So while the backup is still continuing, 17 minutes 35 seconds have passed and the backup is on 87%. So 19 minutes, almost 20 minutes have passed and the backup is on 97%. It is about to get completed. Backup is about to get completed now. I have a OK icon which is showing a green circle. Now you can safely close the SP Flash tool and go to the MTK Droid tools, and this will have this MTK Droid root and tools version 2.53. For it to you have to wait till your device is detected